Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to see you, brothers and sisters. Before we proceed, I thought I will go through this ayah, which we did study yesterday. I find it one of the most beautiful verses, because it speaks about the Quran. What is Quran? What does it do to us if we really understand it? The question is if we really understand it. Because it's the most beautiful poetry in the world. Most beautiful literature. Most beautiful literature. In Arabic language, there is nothing ever created to match the eloquence and the beauty of Quran. Nothing has ever been created by anybody. And Allah has challenged them. Create, make even a verse like this. So brothers and sisters, I'll go briefly through that. I'll be writing in short so that, I do not make the board too crowded. Allahu. What is Allahu? Mubtada. I will say Mubtada. What is Nazzala? It's Fi'l Madi. What is Nazzala? Fi'l Madi. It means a Jumla Fi'liya is starting. Okay? Starting with Nazzala. So, Al Jumlatul Fi'liyatu. Okay? Now this is your khabar. Are you with me? And we will always write down fi mahalli raf'in if we have to. Khabarun. What is ahsana? Maf'ulun bihi for nazzala. Maf'ulun bihi for nazzala. So I will write down maf'ulun bihi plus mudaf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm writing in short. And what is al-hadith? Mudaf ilayh. This is mudaf ilayh. Okay, brothers and sisters. See, Allah. What about Allah? Give some information. Give the predicate. If Allah is the subject, give us the predicate. If Allah is mubtada, give us the news. So what is the news? He brought down the most beautiful speech. The most beautiful. This is the superlative degree. Brothers and sisters. Kitaban. See, now, you can even say hal. Because some scholars might say hal. But kitaban as a badal suits. Because it is in the form of a book, So Allah has brought down a book. So we will say it is. What is it, brother? Okay, then what is mutashabihan? It is a naat. Naat for what? Kitab. Naat for what? Kitab. I'm going to write down naat. Number 1. What is Thamaniya? Naat again. So what will I say now? Number 2. Remember I told you if the noun is indefinite, then if a Jumla follows that Jumla comes as a naat. If the noun is definite, followed by a Jumla, then that jumla becomes halun. We are going to read it, study it in detail very soon, inshallah. But brothers and sisters, taksha'irru. What is taksha'irru? Again, a fi'l. Again a jumla, fi'liya is starting. Are you with me? Taksha'irru is starting a jumla fi'liya. Taksha'irru. And we know what is the verb. It is from a fi'l rubai, al-mazid. What is the wazan of it? If alalla. If alalla. MashaAllah. Very good. Minhu jar majrur. Where is the file of taksha'irru julud? Because this is your file. And here the file is mustatir. Fa'ilun mustatirun taqdiruhu huwa. I'm talking about nazala. Fa'ilun mustatirun taqdiruhu huwa yadullu ala Allah. Okay. Now we say here julud is the file plus it is mudaf. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. What is mudaf ilayhi? Allah. Ismu mawsula. It is mudaf ilayhi. Okay. And then yakshawna. What is yakshawna? What is the verb? Khashiya. Khashiya. Yaksha. Yakshayani. Yakshawna. So, fi'lun, mudari'un, marfu'un, bi thubutinun. Where is the file? Wow. Wow is the file. Okay. And then rabbahum. What is rabba? Maf'ulun bihi. Okay. This wow is the file. Okay. And rabba is maf'ulun bihi plus it is mudaf. What is him? Mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Is it clear? Inshallah. Now, the question is, yakshawna rabbahum has come after alladhina. So even this is a jumla fi'liya, and this jumla fi'liya is silatul mawsul. La mahal laha min al-i'rab. There is no other specification or value from the grammar point of it. It is just silatul mawsul. Okay, brothers and sisters. Now the thing is, taksha'irru minhu juludul ladina. So this is another jumla failure. What is the position of that jumla? Is it connected with something which has been mentioned previously? Yes, there is a connection. What is this, brothers and sisters? Not number 3. Why it is not? Because it is describing the book. What kind of a book it is? The book, the contents of which the skins shiver. But the skins of those who fear their Lord, not of everybody. Those who have the fear of their Lord, their Creator in their hearts, their skins shiver with the contents when they hear it or when they recite it. It means when we hear the Quran or when we recite it, then the skins of those who fear their Lord, if they hear it and they recite it, their skins shiver. Okay. And then thumma. What is thumma? Harfu atf. Are you with me? This is atf. And then what is talinu? Fi'al mudariya.